Breaking good news. The LGB has officially divorced from the TQ, RSTUV, WX, Y, and Z, and whatever other made up bullshit.
Declaramos independência LGB porque tudo bem meninos gostarem de bonecas e meninas odiarem vestidos.
We are declaring our independence because we're tired of people who aren't lesbian, gay or bisexual speaking for us in our name.
Vi bryter oss loss för att homo- och bisexuella har olika åsikter, men HBTQI är ett åsiktspaket.
女同性恋和男同性恋逐渐失去立足之地，因此我们在此宣告 LGB 正式独立。
Обявяваме независимост на ЛГБ общността, защото еднополовите връзки се нуждаят от правен статут навсякъде.
Declaramos la independencia LGB porque los derechos que tanto nos ha costado conseguir están siendo amenazados por la identidad de género.
The LGB is declaring independence because being a feminine man doesn't make you a female.
Parce que les espaces lesbiens accueillent désormais des hommes.
We're declaring LGB independence because we've had enough of pronouns.
Porque homens não podem ser lésbicas.
Porque los derechos de los homosexuales no están en contra de los derechos de las mujeres.
Omdat wij graag gendernormen slopen, niet onze lichamen.
Dichiariamo l'indipendenza LGB perché ci siamo stufati.
Vi løsriver oss fordi jenter skal kunne bryte med stereotypiske kjønnsroller uten å tro at de må endre på kroppene sine.
I, for one, think this is great news. I remember a time whenever it was just a rainbow flag. But then they started adding brown, pink, black, gray. It got to the point where their flag doesn't even look like a damn rainbow anymore. This community fought hard for their rights, and now this community is basically just trying to take it away. It's like when I see those damn Indian street food vendors wiping their ass and then eating food with their hands. That shit does not represent me. We're finally getting back to the basics. Welcome to the Conservative Party, LGB. We're here to save you from the TQ+. Scum!